I want to go look at the river and see how high it is. It's such a nice day today. If it was about 10 degrees warmer, it would be perfect. I could spend all day out here. That's always fun. I'm going to turn around somebody into a corner when there's gravel there. Ooh, look at all this gravel. Anyway, this is where I wanted to come to. Right here where it says no parking anytime. I'm going to park. Come right over here just to take a look at this. I suppose if a cop came around the corner, he can come over here and give me a ticket for parking right there, but screw it. Ain't hurting nobody. Wow. Check this out. Isn't that cool? This is what I wanted to come look at. It's kind of a far drop down there. If you can see that. It's in the shadows, you might not be able to see it. That's about 20 feet down to that grassy area where all that water's at. I wish there was a way I could get over there. Right there. Because if you look, you see that? That part right there is where the old road used to come through. Because this, where I'm standing, used to be part of the bridge. And I like looking at stuff like this. It's really cool. I enjoy this kind of thing. Right here, this is part of the old overpass. That road right there is like the new part. And this, where I'm standing, if you look, see that? This road used to come through here. Now it's barricaded and straight across. Center this. That over there is where the other part of the road was. And if you look to the left of it, I don't know if you can see that, there's like an old, very old bridge part. That was even older part right here. That's the oldest, somewhat newer. And then over here, that's the newest bridge. And then on the other side of that, where the trestles are right there, that's part of Highway 12. That's a 4-lane highway. And then on the other side of that, there's a train bridge over there. So you got a lot of things going on right there. There's the newer part of this road, this powerhouse I think it is. And then you got Highway 12, which is 4 lanes, and then you got the train tracks over there. And you can get down over there underneath that area over there from the other side of, there's like a mobile home park over there and some golf course, I can't remember the name of, but as you walk around over here, this is kind of cool. I don't remember where it was at, but maybe that's it. No, that's not it. There used to be a date. Like they used to put dates of bridges in those little block parts right there. But I think it's gone on this one. So down here is all the water control valves and everything. And I haven't been down there on this side. I've been on the other side, but that was when I was a kid. Like I was, I don't know, 18 years old. Anyways, this is what I came to look at. All this coolness right over here. Ah, fuck. Okay, that sucks. Had like a hornet or some shit land on the inside of my visor. God, it scared the shit out of me. Let's see if we can look up here. Let me shade this with my hand. It's right up here. Yeah. You can look and see. There's a canal, irrigation canal running along that hill up here. Pretty cool. So, there it is. There's the river. Well, I don't think I'm going to ride up that direction. I know there's going to be a lot of gravel up there because they don't even sweep the gravel up here in town for a while. And I know all the corners are going to look just like this. So I think I'll just go back over there for a short ride and maybe turn around and head back. Just make this a short trip today. Somebody lost their glasses. Did a boomer. I don't know why this thing does that sometimes. Maybe I have my foot resting underneath the shifter or something, but I go to shift it into third and it doesn't go into third. I am so damn thirsty today. Later this year I'm going to take a couple cruises up that road back there because that's a fun little ride. I could take that way back to get to my house, but there's plenty of this gravel shit in the road all over the place. I love this bike. It's a funny thing when you own the Grom or another like a Z125 or something like that. When you go ride them, it's not like you don't get this feeling of it's so serious. You know, when you hop on a bigger bike, you go out. It's like, okay, I'm on a motorcycle. This is serious business now. When you hop on a Grom, it's like you're on a bicycle. You just don't really care. You know, it's kind of a weird feeling, I can't even describe it. It's carefree. You don't have to be, you obviously have to be just as careful and, you know, watch out for other people and don't do stupid shit on a Grom, but it's just this feeling of, you know, it's like a toy, you know, because you can do a little flick it around and things like that and just do stuff. It's so light and so nimble. There are a lot of motorcycles out today, though. Oh, come on, dude. If a Grom's keeping up with you in tailgating, you're going too slow. Oops, and I'm the dumbass riding around with my damn turn signal on. Good thing you can't really see my turn signals on this bike. When was the last time I turned left? God, it must have been back before I hit the bridge in the river. I'm a dumbass.